Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I'm always asked, how long does a hair transplant last for? Well, my first hair transplant was November of 2016. My second hair transplant, since I was a bald guy, was in April of 2019. And it's still growing, it's still here, and yes, I do get a haircut every 4 to 5 weeks. So I think the most important question that I wanted to come across today, or to answer today, was this is permanent hair. No, yes, I do go swimming in it. Yes, I go play tennis. I do karate with it. This is permanent. I brush it and I wash it sometimes 2 to 3 times a day. So the hair is there forever. As long as I take good care of it, it will be here. I always tell somebody you're going to get about 35% density with one hair transplant, and because I needed 2 hair transplants just to get all the way back. So for my first procedure, we got about 2/3 of the way back. My second procedure, we covered the entire crown and reinforced any areas in the front that needed a little bit of reinforcement. Hair transplants work. Hair transplants work for both men and women. Best decision I ever made. I'm now 53 and I feel like I'm 40. So if you have any questions, call us here at Natural Transplants. Again, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Dr. Humner did my hair transplant, and we work together as a team.